Hey, it's Renee LA. Let's hear what the girl is about to say. She's so funny and she's so pretty. Good things are coming your way. Yeah, yeah. It's a beautiful day. I'm Renee LA and I'm here to slay. I really hope things are going your way. I like to speak in French. Parlez-vous français? Sit back, relax, and look at the fashion. I'ma open the door into my passion. Good things in here, so there'll be no bashing. I'm all about fun, love, and compassion. Hey, it's Renee LA. Hey. It's Renee LA. Get ready for Renee LA.
Hey everybody, it's Renee LA, and this time it is the November for real, y'all. Ivy box. I put up my little Ivy box videos, and then after that, I just kind of forget about it. And just looking at it, knowing that I was going to put up a new one today, I noticed that I named October's box November because I opened it in November, and I didn't receive that box until October 31st. So right after this video, it's shaking a little bit. After this video, I'm going to go back and change it. All right, so what do we have here for the real November? Oh, see, okay. What I see in here is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. However, I believe I told you guys the last time that I'm doing a no spend year. So, to actually do a no spend year, you really have to stop spending on the stuff that you don't need. I reactivated, and when I plug this up, oops, nope, it's right here. There we go. When I reactivated, I literally didn't have much pink and green. I was not one for wearing all of the paraphernalia if you weren't putting in the work. Once an AKA, always an AKA, but I just felt like, it wouldn't be right for me to be parading around and all this AKA stuff, and I'm not putting in the work. And so anyway, I got the Ivy box just so that I would have some paraphernalia because I'm putting in the work now. And, I really have enough now because when I first started, I didn't have anything. I just had my line shirt. That's all. My line shirt. So I got the Ivy box, and the Ivy box has totally fulfilled, exactly what I need. I saw a soror just the other day when I was grocery shopping. She had on one of those, the pretty quilted jacket that we got. She had that on, and I was like, hey, soror, hey. And so, I have enough pink and green stuff. And so I will finish out the year and get my December box. And maybe December and January. After that, pinky promise, however you do that, I am done with the Ivy box, and I won't be receiving any more because I really, truly don't need any additional things. But let's get to it. Here we go. Oh my God, I love this. And you know what? After this is over, I just don't know if I'm going to be able to look at Ivy box unboxings. My Lord, because I'm just, oof. All right. Oh, so this one says thankfulness. You got that right. Sure, thankful for everything, thankful for all my blessings, and just so grateful. Okay, so it says 2020 has been a year of incredible obstacles and triumphs. Isn't that the truth? As a community, we have faced a global pandemic, economic downturn, and the continuous struggles for our rights. Okay, so it goes on talking about that. And, I'm always thankful and grateful no matter what's going on, through the good and the bad. So I really like this theme. So I'll read the rest later. So here I'm saying ooh and ah. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, and we just bought one yesterday. Oh, this is an ornament for the tree. Oh, and so it has the pink and green gems along with the pearls, and it has some smaller pearls in there as well. This is gorgeous, and we just got a brand new tree because our other tree was looking crazy. This next thing here is fantastic for me because I use one of these almost every night. A sleep mask. Pretty, even, in my sleep. You got that right. I love it. Look at that. I always wear face masks, sleep masks all the time. And so just to have an AKA one is extra special. And here we go. Ooh, now these are going to be really nice. Much better than those silky ones. The silky ones were nice too. However, they were a little on the tight side. And so I wore them to sleep once, and I don't know if I'm gonna actually wear them again. Probably if I cut out the crotch and make it like a little robe, but I'm not good with sewing a little nightgown rather. So knowing me, I'll just cut out the crotch period and just try to sleep in it. See if if it still looks halfway decent or crazy. But look at this. This is amazing. Look at that. Oops. Some lovely pajamas. And I love pajamas. Oh, and they're long sleeves. Thank you. Nice. Nice, nice. Look at that. With the pink trim. Ugh. That is lovely. And then, with the pants, with the pink trim as well. And the pink trim goes all the way to the bottom. Wow. Nice material that's not too heavy. Okay, yep. And I always get a medium. And so this is just lovely. I love it. I'm going to miss the Ivy box so much. But like I said, I do have to, stick to my little no spin year. And if you want to hear more information about my no spin year and how that's going and how I'm actually structuring it, my version of a no spin year, give me a thumbs up or a comment below, and I can definitely let you know about that. As a matter of fact, that's the stuff, because I won't be doing probably after January, no more Ivy box videos. So I'll be talking about, my no spin year. I'll probably get back into my thrift videos. If you haven't watched my thrift videos, you should watch those too. I have a fabulous thrift collection, darling. But anyway, before I close up, let's take one more look at it. This lovely, lovely ornament. I'll assume that's what it is. Yep, aka holiday ornament. And then the Pretty in My Sleep eye mask. And last but not least, the AKA pajama set, which is fabulous. I love it so doggone much. I'm putting it in the washer and start wearing it next week. It's just great. All right, lovelies. This is Renee L.A. Thank you so much for stopping by. And yeah, got to make that correction. This is November for real, y'all. All right. Bye.